Okay, folks, we're gonna do a room review of our hotel room in Las Vegas. We're at the LUXOR Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. So come with me on my room tour, guys. This is the front door, so you can see the front door. And this is right here, the entry. It's a one bedroom. You come around, and there's a door. If you want two rooms to join together. Yeah, you betcha. And over here, folks, as you can see, it's got a couch and a couple chairs. And it's got a nice 85-inch TV. Yeah, we're gonna be watching that tonight. And folks, it's not a pull-out, but if you put a black light up, somebody definitely pulled out. So you might want to put a sheet on there. And they got a table and some nice things over here. Then they got over here is a table and chairs. Yeah, got a nice bar. Just take a look at the bar, folks. And then here's where all the action is. Yeah, yeah. You got a table there. You got a nice chair. Yeah. Then over here you got another table with some pictures. And let me show you something really cool, guys. And when you check in, they give you this nice little package right here of all neat things. Let me show you. You get a mask, nice mask. Right here, get a nice mask. They give you some condoms. Yeah, they give you this hemorrhoidal medicine. Yeah, you betcha, folks. It must be for the Canadian visitors. And then also, folks, they give you a pregnancy test. Yeah. Just look at all the great stuff they give you when you check in. Keep you safe from the virus. Yeah. Just take a look at it. Just take a look. So, folks, now we go over here. This is the way. Yeah. And then here's the bathroom, guys. Big bathroom. Got a couple sinks. Couple sinks. Yeah. Over here is where you go into the bathroom. Right there in the corner. In the corner. You come over here, guys. Just take a look at this bathtub. You can stand in it. Look at, I'm in the bathtub. Just standing in the bathtub. You betcha. You come over here, folks. You got this nice shower. Look at the shower head. Take a look at it. Look at it. Okay. You can walk around in the shower. Yeah, this is our room for the next few days in Las Vegas, folks. Take a look. My room review. You betcha. You come over here, folks. You can put your luggage here. There's an ironing board in the safe. You got an iron. Yeah. You got this little bench right here. And there's over there. Look at. Yeah. Okay, everybody. What do you think of the room? Okay. Thanks for tuning into my room review. Thank you, guys. Thank you.